In this video, you'll learn how to add a CIBC credit card to Apple Wallet. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Apple Watch, this process is straightforward and will have you set up for seamless, contactless payments in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Apple Wallet app on your device. This could be your iPhone or your Apple Watch. The Apple Wallet app is where you'll manage all your cards and passes for everyday use. With it open, look towards the top right corner of the screen and tap the plus icon. This is where you'll start adding new cards. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be prompted to select the type of card you want to add. In this instance, you'll choose debit or credit card. This option will allow you to add your CIBC credit card to the wallet. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and tap Continue to proceed with the setup process. Now comes the part where you'll actually input your card details. You have two options here. You can use your device's camera to automatically scan your card, or you can choose to enter the card details manually. Scanning is a quick option, but typing it in works just as well if you prefer that method. Make sure the card details are correct before moving on. Once your card details are entered, follow the on-screen instructions to continue. These instructions will guide you through the rest of the setup process smoothly. As part of this, CIBC might ask you to verify your card. This is a standard security measure to ensure everything is set up correctly. The verification could happen through a text message, an email, or a confirmation via your banking app. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to complete the verification. After you've completed the verification process, you're all set. Your CIBC credit card is now added to your Apple Wallet and is ready for use. You can start making contactless payments with ease, whether at a store, online, or anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. And that's how to add a CIBC credit card to Apple Wallet. With just a few simple steps, you've set yourself up for more convenient and secure payments. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay with your CIBC card.